Good evening, everyone, to all my viewers. Welcome to my channel. Uh, to all my viewers, this video I have made uh, to cater to people something very important and to avert some kind of disaster you can meet in your life, in the space of your life, which I have encountered, and I felt like sharing with you to increase your knowledge regarding something. Uh, these days, there is a small article on INFX trading, right? Small article by Narayan Murthy, that video saying that Indians can make a lot of money on on a platform. Click here, then you click on register. It's written that you invest minimum $200, some 17,000 rupees, and you invest there, and then that is the minimum amount required, and then you increase your money, you make money with that on this platform, and then uh, you can get a payout by evening. No issue with it. Looking at that article, uh, that it applies. I think it applies some logic uh, of quantum AI or something. But upon clicking that, it cropped up in my Facebook profile. I clicked upon the link and it led me to a registration page. I just out of curiosity registered, and just a few details like name and email address and the phone number, and then they called me. I didn't even expect anything. Just out of curiosity, I just put in a few details, and they contacted me within 15 to 20 minutes. Then they asked me a few details, and they furnished me with a few details, like you can make, you just require $200. This is a platform where you put in the money. We will be giving you a manager, a separate manager, who will be assisting you with trading. Even if you do not have any knowledge regarding trading in stock markets, you will be able to, the manager will be guiding you, and you make money at home by investing a mere $200. I asked him that, is it $200? Do I require to invest any more after that? I mean, after I invest the $200 and I'm into trading and all with my manager, will I be asked to invest any more? Upon which he replied, no, it's not mandatory. You can, but it's not mandatory. You can work with the $200. You can grow big. You can make a lot of money. So I asked for some time, like I need to discuss it with my father. Even $200 for a middle class Indian family is quite some money, 17,000 rupees. And I said that I need one day. They said that you hurry up from your side. It's because we will be giving you $100 boost up from our side. There is a discount going on, things like that. So I just asked for one day, and then he said, okay, fine, we will call you the next day. And he called me the next day and around the same time, and I decided to proceed with it. He shared me a link. Then the link is, I will be sharing the technical details with you, uh, either in this video or a follow-up video. The very technical details, the very website, right? Okay, so I with trembling hands I invested the $200. I put in, I deposited it. He kept assuring me that you won't lose out on your money, no issue with it, you can fearlessly proceed, we will be guiding you. And then so All right, so I then he connected me with a manager. He sent me a Zoom link to take my screen by the name of Michael, right? I d- uh, I don't know exactly where he works, but most likely it was Hyderabad, right? So he asked me to install Zoom. I installed Zoom, and then he connected with a meeting, share screen, and you took the screen, and he explained some very basic details, not too much, but the platform, the trading platform where you put money and all. Uh, so uh, uh, so my balance reflected the $200. The wallet reflected that, and then he showed me certain. He let me know. Shared details about certain things, not too much, like like uh, leverage. What is a leverage? That this is a big industry. Infosys. I don't think he mentioned Infosys, but he said that this is a big industry. 1:400. We are providing all the leverage so that you do not have to uh, invest too much money, and you just invest a mere $200 and you make money. So that is a big leverage we are providing. Leverage is a terminology. Then there are certain terminologies like trade size, right? Then there are places where you change the figures and you start the trading. He did not teach me how to stop the trading on a profit. That he did not. But he just um, he just briefed me about how to start a trading, and how not exactly how to read the profit or loss like that, right? There are certain commodities trading here on this platform. You can trade in indices, you can trade in commodities like crude oil, palladium. There are many other commodities. Then you can invest in cryptocurrency and trade. You can invest in euro, USD, various sectors of trading, right? So what he does is he reads the figures there and he decides where to trade. It is his best knowledge that where to put the money and where to get the maximum profit, right? And he played with me in a way that mm, you can rely on that person, that he is guiding you towards profit, towards making money. Right after the first trade, I made a profit of some $36 on 200. Right, it was fair, quick enough. It ran for a couple of hours, and the trade was no 3 to 4 hours, and the trade rounded up to a $36 profit. It reflected on my account. Then he asked me to again shared me the screen. Whenever opening a trade, he shares the screen and directs me to click on this, click on that, put in those figures, and we proceeded to the second trade in indices. It took up a good while, some 2 days, and then Saturday, Sunday is off, and then it continued to Monday, and it rounded off with another some $70 profit or something. So my yes, but meanwhile, after after one day, he asked me to make another deposit, saying that margin level is going down. You need to deposit, otherwise all your money will be going to loss. That is another place he misguided. There is an option here, stop loss option. In this trading platform, there is an option, stop loss. It is well within his capacity to stop any losses, right? He did not uh, enlighten me with that. Okay, so he forced me into depositing the second amount, $200, yet again the minimum amount required. Beneath 200 you cannot make any entry. That is the system of the trading platform. So I felt forced to invest another $200 to recover my previous $200. I actually was, at that time I was a little panicky that I will be able to recover my old amount. I was not even thinking of profit, that whether he's a genuine person. Then after investing $200, after 2 days of goosebumps sometimes coming up in my mind, I found that okay, the trade has closed and it has made a $70 profit. Okay, now the third now I asked him that I want to make a withdrawal, right? Withdrawal, and he said that the amount is less than $500 and you cannot withdraw, which I don't think, which is which he purposely made up that. The page, the link which directed me here, say that you can get a profit, you can get a payout on the very first day, whatever profit you make. He misguided me there also. He will be saying that it's a company policy and all, right? But he said that it's less than $500 you cannot withdraw, and he said that um, you do one more trade, then after that we will talk about withdrawing. And another thing is you need to have a swift code for your bank account. He discussed me with that to get it from my bank manager. I googled it up and I got the swift code. Every bank account should have a swift code for international transactions. There is another discrepancy. The first time when I was contacted by the person, I asked him whether I need a swift code. He said that swift code is no issue, you don't require swift code, it is not mandatory. One more discrepancy. Okay, so I mentioned this to my father and he also started worrying, thinking about that swift code. No, it does not seem right. Okay, then he invested in he asked me that are you you can invest more, you can make more profit. I said no, I am not comfortable. I am okay with $30-40 profit. I am not comfortable with investing big amounts. Okay, so then what he said, yes, he opened the third trade in crude oil. And crude oil, I opened it and I kept monitoring the graph, the stocks, how the sell and buy, working with the margin level and everything, profit and everything. I was thoroughly monitoring the graph, and I found it has started making great profits, like some reaching $400 profit, $420 profit, $450 profit. I started taking screenshots and I started mailing him that why aren't you asking me to stop the trade at the profit? That is what you do, na? You stop from your end at the profit. When I am monitoring here, I am getting a lot of profit here. How do I close the trade? You tell me. He did not reply. So I kept monitoring. After a while, he replied. He called me and said that I was busy with other clients and everything. So this is how you close the trade. He showed me, and I closed the trade at the profit. And uh, my amount jumped to $980 from some $498. It jumped to $980, right? So he then he disconnected. He said that I'm calling you, do not do anything. I said okay. Then after some 5 to 10 minutes again he called, and his tone changed, completely changed. That uh, I started talking about withdrawal, that I want to withdraw my money. He was like, no, you cannot withdraw money without doing 3 trades. You need to open 2 more trades. Quick, fast, do it fast. I started protesting. No, no, I don't want. I don't want. He started saying that. No, no, you need to do. You need to do. I will be making more. I will. I will give you more profit. Wait, wait. And he opened. He got me opened one more trade. Right in front of my eyes, I could see the trade open. He said that ये trade तो आपका खुला नहीं है. This trade has not opened. You need to open one more trade. Listen, you listen to me. You go follow these steps. I'm telling you. You. I started protesting that no. How can you ask me to open another trade when there is insufficient balance? I was like, no, I don't. This is open. This trade is open. He was like, Ritu, I am your senior manager. You have been working with me. You cannot rely on me. I will be giving you a huge profit on this. You do as you do as I tell you. Hurry up. Do it fast. And he got the 5th trade open. And upon opening the trade, I saw my balance going in negative. So. Instantly, I realized I made a mistake. I, not at that very point, I, I, I started thinking that whether I did what I did, whether it was right, whether I have a feeling that he did not want me to withdraw. He did not want me to take back my money. Okay, so I was thinking that, and he said that. I said that I want to withdraw, upon which he said that no, you need to do 3 trades. I had been thinking that I had done 3 trades, right? So he was like, no, it will take some time to close today. I asked how much time it will take. He said that it will take either by today we'll close it, or by tomorrow. Um, or by tomorrow, if required, we will be closing it at good profit. Don't worry, you rely on me. I said, okay. Then the call, he disconnected. Then, after 10-15 minutes, 15 or 20 minutes, he again contacted me. He asked me to close one trade, the one that is showing profit. Right? I closed the trade, and it resulted in an operation error due to the negative balance. Because 2 trades had been running simultaneously, it has not made any profit, which resulted in the operation error. I did nothing. I simply closed it, and he said that okay, you are getting an operation error. I am sending you a Zoom link to take your screen. Okay, he sent me a Zoom link. Upon clicking the Zoom link, the website got refreshed and opened again, and both the trades were gone. Both the trades were gone from the place where it shows, where it displays, and it reduced my balance to $28. And then what he said to me, that what have you done? What have you done? You have resulted in our losses. You have caused a loss. I said I did not cause the loss. I did not at all want to open the trades. I wanted to withdraw. He said that no, without 3 trades you cannot withdraw. I said that I have already made 3 trades. Why didn't you let me withdraw at that time? He started shouting that you listen to me. You listen to me. Are you going to scream? Are you going to scream? I'm going to disconnect. I'm going to disconnect. He started uh, screaming and tried to stifle me down. That I had been protesting um, that why he opened the 5th trade when there was insufficient balance. He did not guide me about the functionalities properly. I had been bit by bit getting acquainted and learning from my own side, right? So he played with me all along, that much I understood. Only a couple of hours ago, he said that beneath $500 you cannot uh, withdraw, which is a lie. How can it be when the very link that led me to this platform say that you can get your payout on your first investment? Second, when it showed 980, that is above 500, I was about to withdraw. He stopped me and opened the two trades forcibly. I said that I cannot deposit any more money at the time of opening the fourth and fifth trades. That I cannot deposit any more money. I do not have any money in my bank to invest. He said that no, 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 don't worry, don't worry, no need to invest. You just listen to me, you just open the trades, okay. So then he started arguing with me. No, how can I let you withdraw? How can I let you withdraw? You needed to complete the fourth and fifth trade. He started arguing baselessly, and then after a while someone else contacted. He cut down, and after 10 minutes someone else contacted and said that no, these trades will resume once you invest more. These trades are not closed. You invest more and then it will resume. It will result in great profits. Don't worry. You invest a little. You need to invest in order to resolve the issue. That is their politics. Alright, so why I shared this detail, that this what it has resulted in my loss. I am unable to bear this 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 manipulation what they played, that when I was going to withdraw, they did not let me withdraw and they wanted to stop that withdrawal. And actually, you know what? These people, I have suddenly realized that uh, they may be making more profits at the background. And when you are not looking at the chart trade all the time, they may be making more profits and siphoning off some of the money, leaving you with only $30-40. It is possible. And because I had been monitoring all along, I sensed in his voice that he didn't want me to know that. He didn't want me to know how to close the trade. He didn't want me to know that I can make such amount of profit from $400 to $980. This I sensed from his voice, his hurriedness, his abrupt change of voice, and he's trying to cover up that. Somehow he wanted to stifle and cover up. So it is possible that so this amount that I invested along with the profit will be shown in the company's investments, right? When you say a 3 crore billion dollar company, my money counts there. This money will be counted there. And so is the money of other Indians investing, especially people who do not have any knowledge about trading and who just have got lucrated, who just got uh, attracted by this video of Narayan Murthy and the link below, that you can make money at home with investing a mere $200, mere 17,000 rupees, nothing required. You get a manager for free and you get his advice. He will be guiding you to make great profits and you will be getting your first payout by evening. How simply it has been written down to pull people to invest money. So this is my first hand experience, right? That I feel so pinched that after the $980, I should have viciously protested that I don't want to open. I shouldn't have listened to him at all. You are not to listen to managers at all. They think about their profits. There may be functionalities working behind what we are seeing on the platform from our end. Functionality is to siphon away the money. It is possible that they, within the few seconds that I opened the Zoom link and gave him the screen after the 4-5 trades were open, it is possible within that couple of minutes he had access to my account. He will never disclose that. The manager has access to your account. He can do anything he wants. He will never disclose it. It is possible he siphoned away the money from, who knows, there might be some functionality working behind. He got both the trades stopped from his end and he siphoned away the money. Right? So I have mailed him again, asking for my basic funds, to compensation, to give me back my basic funds. I know they won't be listening. And here, I don't think police complaint will also work. Right? In this case, police complaint will not work because this platform did not look like a scam, but it is a way to fool and bamboozle people who do not have any knowledge regarding trading, right? And I sensed that when I started to learn, he wanted to take that away from me. So this I wanted to cater to people that never get fooled by such ads, such videos, that you invest some money and to make big profits. At some point, they will again ask you for more money. Again ask you for more money to deposit. These are not very safe way to grow your money. So now the technicalities also I will be sharing. Certain basic technicalities I will be sharing in case someone wants to. They are not fooled by the managers. They are not fooled by the managers. This much I'm going to now I'm going checking my history. My history is gone, wiped away. They wiped away my history also. I was lucky enough to record yesterday. Yesterday itself, I was very lucky enough that I recorded yesterday the history. All right, so cheaters. They are literally cheaters. They play with middle class people's money. I'm telling you, do not go for such trading apps at all. All right, so I think I will share some details in the next video, technical details about the platform, right? So take care everyone, stay safe and happy. I'm not in a very cheerful mood at all over this. Literally I'm feeling very sad from within. That this money is basically a person's hard-earned money, hard-earned from salaries, right? A middle-class family's money is very hard-earned from salaries that they work over days, months, years, and they just take it like that, just by cheating you. Okay, so take care everyone, stay safe and happy. Bye bye.